Traditional smart city projects face numerous challenges, including high backhaul infrastructure costs and a lack of interoperability between systems. Public spaces often face challenges like poor maintenance and safety concerns.
When you're looking at the traditional transit systems, you see that there are major problems. For example, traffic congestion. The transit systems are too old, they cannot really interact with each other. The bus schedules are not that much adaptable.
The issue of illegal parking in bus lanes has been impacting bus speeds for as long as I can remember.
There are lots of challenges in adopting technology. Cities have a lot of budgetary constraints, so funding smart city technologies is always a challenge.
Cities need new infrastructure to create better and more connected transportation options for the future. Public transit should use smart, flexible systems that build on current bus routes. Public spaces should be well-maintained, safe, and welcoming. Welcome to the future of urban mobility, where technology meets innovation to create smarter, more connected cities. At the forefront of this transformation is BusPas, in strategic partnership with NVIDIA.
Transit authorities can benefit from BusPas solutions because it provides real-time data about customer behavior and traffic behavior.
BusPas technology uses real-time computer vision to monitor bus occupancy levels throughout the day.
We see a lot of transit authorities that are looking for data insight to give a better service to their customers. So this is where BusPas started. Passenger counting at the bus stop, waiting time at the bus stop, how many users are left behind? Is the person, a rider with a wheelchair waiting at the bus stops, we were able to communicate to the bus driver that there's a person waiting at the bus stop and is there a seat available?
NVIDIA's AI capabilities empower us to offer data-driven insights. This means reduced delays and improved service quality for public transit operations.
You have buses that run over the course of a day. And what often happens, especially in what's called the shoulder periods, is you have buses that are not very full. And sometimes the transit agency has to add a bus to carry just a few passengers. The whole aspect of this microtransit demand management was to be able to shift people away from the unfilled buses so that you could remove a bus if necessary. The removal on a bus line over the course of a year was like $1 million. If you can manage people's behavior and their demand just slightly, you could end up having big benefits.
The cameras that are used in the devices are AI powered so that they can automatically monitor and analyze traffic flow, for example, for traffic management. And that can be used to optimize signal timing to reduce congestion. You can even detect things like near misses or accidents and then instrument the roads better, the signal timing better to improve pedestrian safety. You can even forecast future infrastructure needs so that maintenance can be done before issues become critical and lead to disruption.
With BusPas technology, cities can provide automated bus lanes and stop violation enforcement using license plate recognition.
BusPas, it's like having an iPad at the bus station. So whatever tech development occurs, we now have a platform to use that technology across the board. These features that improve speed, that improve passenger security, that also increase revenue because of the revenue generating capability, helps BusPas in a direct way with the key policy issues, challenges that the transit agencies are facing. We need to bring ridership back. We need to improve the speed so people get to their destination more quickly. We need to make sure their safety, they feel comfortable, and BusPas is central to that.
Through collaboration with BusPas and NVIDIA, we leverage data-driven insights to create safer, smarter urban environments. The enhanced passenger experience makes public transit not just a necessity, but an attractive option for urban residents.
Our infrastructure gives a lot of advantage to multiple parties. Such as transit, our system is federally funded because we bring some value to the customer and increase ridership and safety. So you have funding for safety lights at the bus stop. You have funding for passenger information in real time. So all those funding and all those investment that could be done for transit, now the city is able to leverage on the same infrastructure and have a lower barrier cost to basically run other applications that they need using the same infrastructure.
BusPas is a big thing. We all started very small with the idea of how we make sustainable mobility in a smart city. It's the infrastructure that will allow us to have the right data. It's the infrastructure that will allow us to bring the smart city.
In partnership with NVIDIA, BusPas is transforming urban spaces into intelligent, connected environments. Together, we are building the foundation for smarter, safer, and more efficient cities prepared for the future. We're not just redefining urban transportation, we're pioneering the future of smart cities. BusPas, connecting the cornerstones for smart cities around the world.